guys, what's up? My name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review of the Liberex facial cleansing brush. Now this is $50 on Amazon and it is the most expensive facial brush I've ever tried before, so I'm kind of excited. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, so would you mind hitting the subscribe button down below for me? I'd really appreciate it. I put a new video out every single day. I feel like I say that a lot, but I do a video every day. So I hope you guys will do that for me. I'd really appreciate it. Now I'm going to tell you a couple of things about this before we start unboxing it and using it. So this is by Liberex. It is $50. I'll leave the Amazon link down below for you. It's supposed to remove makeup, dirt, oil, sweat, blackheads. I don't know how it's going to remove blackheads. It's supposed to minimize clogged pores and exfoliate dead skin. It comes with 2 different vibration settings and 3 different types of brush heads, so it's good for any type of skin. And honestly, all those options sound pretty good. I don't know if it's going to minimize my clogged pores or get rid of blackheads, but we'll see how it makes my face feel. So let's go remove my makeup and I'll be right back. So I removed my makeup, so this will be a lot easier to do because spinning around a full face of makeup would not be cool. But we're going to go ahead and unbox this thing now. So we have the Liberex here. I love this packaging. Oh, I love gold and white. This is like a nice rosy gold color and then this nice white packaging. This seems like a sure luxurious packaging. This seems like a nice phone case packaging. I love it. And then here we have a couple facts on the back about the soft silicone brush head, the foot grade, DuPont bristles, 2 speeds, you know, 2-minute timer, all this charging stuff. And it seems so legit. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see. Oh! So in here we have our little brush head. This feels super soft. This is real soft. You see that bristle? And there's a couple buttons up here, like an up and a down and then a power button. And then down here we have like a little, looks like a little holder. I guess I put this in here. Cute! So compact. I like something so small and compact. And then we have a little cover here, I guess, for the brush head. I think that's what this is for. And when you take off this little middle piece it's sitting in, you get the little instruction manual, and then you have a power cord and a couple exchangeable bristle heads. Like you get a little silicone one here, and then you get an extra little soft bristle one. Alright. So we're going to try this out now to cut it on. I think there's batteries already in it, or it's charged. Yeah, there's no batteries, it's just charged. And I'm going to... Oh, I just pressed the power button. It's soft. Let's cut the up button. It's faster. It's still soft. I like the faster version. But let's show you what it looks like on, I guess. Then I'll show you the up version. Is that cool or what? It's not very, like, it feels like it's working to, it's like pushing in the skin, but it's not like, you know, like really abrasive. So I think I'm gonna use, should I use this thing? No, I like this one. So I'm gonna get some facial wash to wet my face and we're gonna try it out. Alright, so it might not be able to tell because it's like not foamy kind. But my face is wet and I have cleanser ready on my face. So let's... Ooh, it's cold! Okay, so the brush head is wet. I wet that without getting the main thing wet. And it's on slow. Let's go to fast. Alright, now I'm just going to take a baby wipe and I'm going to remove the cleanser. Which is the equivalent of not having a sink and rinsing. Whew, okay, so I think all I have to do now is wash the brush head off, which looks like it caught some of the makeup, but it's not super dingy looking. some of the inner bristles, you can kind of tell there's like a little bit of orange hue from my foundation, which was left over. And my face feels alive. Like, it feels like it went into my pores and opened them up. Like, I can feel a breeze coming into my face. That makes sense. It might be because it's cold, but my face feels so open. Like, my pores can breathe. It feels really good. And I'm not usually into these kind of toy tool things, but I like this. This one's compact. And it's cute, and it didn't hurt, which is great, because normally after like a facial mask or cleansing tool, my face is super red, and it's not nearly as red as it should be. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I really like that it has like a little USB for the charger. I noticed that while I was wetting the brush. It's pretty cool. Hope you have an awesome day wherever you are. If you want this, I will leave all the information linked down below for you. And it's nice to find something that's not super harsh on my sensitive skin. So I hope you guys have an awesome night. Bye!